Give me all your candy!
Oh. Well, the candy's gone, Lucario. Lucario. I'm right here. This is bad. He's gonna steal all the candy. And my spine hurts. Should we warn anybody else? Nah. I don't know. Well, if any kid comes up, let's just tell him that we don't have any more candy. Sugar kid!
We don't have any more candy. We got robbed.
You don't have to be so mean. Alright. Hey everybody. Hey. What's wrong? Everybody's hiding.
Somebody is stealing all the candy, so that's what's happening. And it looks like they already robbed Golduck's house. Well, actually, that's my house. My beautiful house.
You know, it looks the same. He just robbed all the candy.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What?
Nothing. He just stole the candy. That dumb-looking Caterpie. Haven't even seen him around here before. Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. Well, it all started just a few moments ago. So I was just sitting in there waiting for somebody else to come, and then that little Caterpie came along.
Trick or treat.
I haven't seen you around here before. What are you doing here? Hey, don't open
Give me all your candy! Give me all the candy! Give me all the candy!
And basically, he hurt me badly. Your arm is still dislocated. Oh, it is. Who knows who they're gonna rob next? Well, 2 homes down, a few more to go. And nobody will enjoy Halloween. Haha. Oh, yoo-hoo, Haunter.
Yeah. Did you steal some candy?
You bet I stole some candy. Now nobody's gonna enjoy Halloween.
Good. Let's go steal some more candy.
Totally. Meanwhile, I heard about the robbing and the candy and
Shieldon! Where'd you go? Shieldon! Wait, where did I go? No! Nah, this stinks.
Did I just hear Candido's voice? I don't know if I did. Whatever.
No! That Bidoof was making an impression of Bidoof! What the heck?
There you are! Oh, I'm so happy. Brother! They've been stealing all the candy. What? Who? Evil people! Dude, what the heck is wrong with you? You're scared of a little caterpie.
I'm a little weedle.
Has evil in its guts.
I'm a little weedle.
Evil!